welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of a shipment that I was waiting for before Christmas, and due to all the Christmas craziness, it got here 2 days after Christmas. So that's okay. I just thought I would wait and unbox with you, and it's kind of funny because it's marked fragile, and there are like big gouges all in the fragile marks. So not sure where it's been, but it's been through the ringer. So this is Confectionery Candle Company, and they make the candles that smell like the Disneyland rides. And I'm so excited to try this. It's the first time I've ever tried it. Was hoping to have it before Christmas, maybe even have a couple of Christmas presents out of this, but that's okay. I have a surprise for today. So some packaging. Now, one of the reasons why I ordered a little bit later and I didn't order back in September when I first meant to was because they have a burner that is a Tiki Burner, and that's one of the things I was waiting on. Okay. So cute. It's so cute. This Tiki Burner, I have so many places I could put this Tiki Burner. So it comes with a little lid. So the burner, I actually ordered some oils to go with this. So cute. They were sold out of this burner for months and months and months. And so I waited until they sent me the update that they had the burners. And so that's why I waited on my order. So if I had gone ahead and ordered the candles, I probably would have had the candles, but I was waiting on the burner and the oils to go with it. Now, I think in this burner, you can burn the little candle melts, but I kind of like the idea of getting the oils, wax melt warmer, but they also say that you can use the oils. So the Magic Candle Company. Okay, so what flavors did I get? I cannot even see what I got. So if you're over 50 like me, you probably can't read teeny tiny print like that without a magnifying glass or some glasses, right? So I just happen to have a cheater here with me. Okay. Pirate Life. That's right. They make scents that smell like being inside the ride. Oh. It's sort of like
old, musty boats sitting in water. Can you believe that is a scent that I would purchase?
I think it'll give you a different vibe whenever you burn it. But upon the first smell, if I didn't know that it was a Pirate Life, this is super tiny. I'm telling you, I got glasses when I turned, probably when I turned 52-ish. I had cheaters for reading before, but then I got glasses when I realized I couldn't see the alarm clock or I couldn't see the menu up on a board. But now, I don't know who can read this. I cannot read this. Okay. Okay. So for those of you who've been on Soarin', this is the Soarin', flying over the orange groves. Oh, that's fabulous. And that might be the first one that I put in the tiki warmer. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. Okay, we'll see what this one is. Oh, yes, this is Beach Resort. So in Florida, they have the beach resort. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, let me show you this one. That's nice. That's super nice. So, all right, so I got the 3 oils just for the Tiki Burner. Okay. Then I got some candles, and I got 2 different size candles because I wasn't sure which scents I was going to like the best. Sorry for the rattling. If you've been to Disney and you have had the Dole Whip, you know how fabulous this one is. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so you can see the way they have a wood wick. These wood wicks are really nice. They burn evenly. These are soy candles, so they are smokeless, which is really nice. And they smell heavenly. I can't wait. I'm going to unbox them all and then decide which one I want to burn first. Haunted house. Well, it's the haunted mansion, right? Yep. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I wish you could smell this. If I didn't know that it was the haunted mansion, I would say, oh, it smells dusty. But since I know that that's what I ordered. Now this is the one that I was hoping to get before Christmas. But I didn't. And so I guess New Year's Eve we will be burning Christmas Shop. Oh, that's really nice. That's a nice smell. That's like when you walk into one of those specialty shops and they've got the Christmas trees. That's nice. That's nice. This one I actually ordered as a gift, so I may have to send this to the person as a late Christmas present, but it's the Wilderness Lodge. And oh, that's really nice. Again, the wood wick. I got a smaller size on this one, but it smells really nice. I have visited the Wilderness Lodge. I've not stayed at the Wilderness Lodge, but they have a giant lobby. And of course, during COVID, nobody is out visiting anything, but that reminds me of it. Now, this is another one that I almost bought just the oil, but no, it doesn't smell like pineapple. It smells like the resort. That's pretty color. Again, the wood wick. That's nice. Very light. It's not a heavy scent at all. And that's it. So now we have to decide. Wilderness, that's a gift, so I'm not going to burn that one. Polynesian, the Haunted Mansion, Christmas Shop. I'm tempted to burn that Christmas Shop just because it's not quite New Year's Eve yet. Okay, this smells so good. Okay. So I've been using this electric. Works really well. It's rechargeable. You just plug it in and recharge it. You turn it on, it tells you how much power it has. Those little crackling sounds.
Like a little miniature fireplace.
So guess what? When my husband got home and smelled this candle burning, he asked me, do we have a live Christmas tree in the house now? I am really happy that I finally got this order. Oh, it's really going to town now. So my burner, I'm going to put some oil in the burner. I can't wait to plug that in. And my oils. So I will link the information about Magic Candle Company if you want to check them out. I'll put that information below, and I'll stick some information below about my burner. Thanks for joining me. And if you haven't subscribed, that would be great. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Basically, those thumbs up and likes tell YouTube that other people might like them too. And so sometimes they'll put my video next to somebody else who is reviewing the candle company or other candles. So that always helps the analytics of YouTube. So I'll see you next week. Have a good week and take care. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.